Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the PowerExpand Elite 13-in-1 Anker Thunderbolt 3 hub. So on the front, you get USB 5 gigabit a second. You get a power delivery Usbc 10 gigabit. Then you get a normal Usbc 10 gigabit, headphone port, TF port. You get SD port, button right here. And then on the back, you get Gigabit Ethernet, several USB 5 gigabit a second ports, HDMI, you get the power port, and we'll show you the power brick in just a moment, an 85 watt charging port for your laptop device, and another USB-C port, which looks like it is Thunderbolt 3. So it's a nice package. It's made out of metal. It's pretty cool. We like the chamfered edges and the button right here. And now we'll get to it actually coming with a Thunderbolt 3 cable, so we like that a lot. Some companies don't provide the cables in their packages. And then you have the quite large, and it's actually larger than, or longer than the hub itself, power brick for the wall. And then here is the wall plug. So this goes into the power brick, and then the power brick goes into this port right here. This is the Anker 13-in-1 PowerExpand Elite Thunderbolt 3 dock. This is 24K on Twitter, 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.